Welcome everyone. Today, we unravel the mysteries of changing AWS IAM user passwords. Sounds simple, right? Well, not quite. We'll explore why keeping your password secure is critical, how to change it using different methods, and most importantly, how to avoid unnecessary oops moments. By the end, you'll be wielding password power like a pro. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Imagine a world where everyone has access to everything. Chaos, right? That's why AWS IAM exists. It ensures that users get only the permissions they need, no more, no less. IAM is your gatekeeper, making security manageable while keeping unauthorized access at bay. Let's dive in and make sense of IAM without pulling our hair out. Let's face it, nobody enjoys remembering complex passwords, but weak ones invite trouble. Effective password management stops cybervillains in their tracks. Think of it as keeping your digital house locked. We'll go through why strong passwords matter, how they protect your AWS environment, and how to keep security airtight. Before jumping into password changes, let's talk prerequisites. Imagine trying to cook a meal without ingredients. You wouldn't get far. The same goes for IAM passwords. You need permissions, policy checks, and security settings in place. Let's make sure you have everything ready before hitting that change password button. Not all superheroes wear capes. Some manage IAM permissions. But before charging ahead, check if you have the right permissions. The principle of least privilege is your best friend. It limits access to exactly what's needed, reducing risks. Plus enabling MFA. That's your digital security lock. Welcome to the AWS Management Console, your one-stop shop for managing IAM users. Changing a password here is a breeze. Just log in, find the IAM dashboard, locate user settings, and change that password. Simple, but let's make sure we do it right without accidentally locking ourselves out. Now, let's walk through changing passwords step by step. First, log in, find your IAM user list, pick the right user, and reset the password. Don't forget to test login afterward, because what's worse than a forgotten password? A reset password that doesn't work. For the command line wizards out there, AWS CLI is your go-to method. Install the CLI tool, authenticate, run the reset command, and verify the change. The magic of automation saves time. No more clicking through endless menus. Ready to feel like a tech wizard? Changing passwords via AWS CLI is fast and efficient. Open your terminal, type the command, enter the new password, and confirm. A quick test ensures success, because there's nothing worse than setting a password and realizing it doesn't work. Welcome. Today, we're diving into the magical world of AWS API. It's like having a remote control for your cloud resources. APIs help automate tasks, because who wants to do everything manually? We use authentication methods to keep things secure. Plus, AWS SDKs and CLI make your life easier. Let's get started. Changing passwords via API sounds techy, but it's quite simple. First, we tap into the AWS IAM API with the right credentials. No sneaky business here. Then, we ensure the new password isn't password 123, please, no. Once it's updated, we check if AWS gives us the thumbs up. And just like that, you're secure again. Setting password policies is like being the security guard of your own digital fortress. We make sure passwords aren't weak, force changes when necessary, and prevent people from recycling old passwords. No shortcuts, folks. Regular audits help us keep things airtight. Think of it as security hygiene. Want to keep hackers away? Start with strong passwords. No birthdays, pets, or keywordy nonsense. MFA is your digital bodyguard, so turn it on. Keep your credentials close. Sharing is not caring here. And updating passwords regularly. That's like brushing your teeth, a habit for security. Got issues with AWS API? Let's troubleshoot like pros. First, ensure IAM permissions aren't blocking you. Double check API call syntax, because typos can ruin your day. Make sure you have stable network connectivity. And if authentication fails, don't panic. Take a deep breath and debug step by step. Compliance isn't just paperwork, it's security in action. Following industry standards means staying ahead of threats. AWS has solid security practices, so let's use them. Proper access controls ensure only the right people access sensitive data. Regular audits, they're the checkups for your cloud security. And that's a wrap. We covered AWS API, password policies, troubleshooting, and compliance. Remember, secure passwords are your first defense. Keep learning and improving security measures. AWS keeps evolving, so stay updated. Now go forth and secure your cloud like a pro. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.